In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a weekly schedule inside of Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a weekly schedule in Google Sheets is a simple way to organize your work, appointments, study time, exercise, or personal tasks. Now, what we first have to do is open up Google Sheets. So I've got this test sheet for this demonstration. Now, we need to go ahead and create the headers. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and create headers. So I'm going to have a time on A1 all the way across from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then from here, you want to enter your time slots in column A. So I'm going to start from 6 a.m. and go all the way to 5 p.m. Now, once we've done that, we want to go ahead and format this. So click onto column A where time is and click on the format, click onto number. Then from here, we want to choose time. So come back here, number, and I like to use time for this. Then step 2, we want to go ahead and now fill in the activities for each day. So I've gone ahead and done that. So you can see my weekly schedule. Now you want to format the schedule. So select the entire schedule. So go ahead to make it easier to read. And then click on the format. And then choose wrapping. And then from here, we want to click onto wrap. And then we want to select the headings in row 1. So click on row 1. And then we want to select bold so it stands out. And then we can use the fill color to give the headings a nice background color as well. Now, come back and select the entire schedule again, and then click onto borders, which is at the top here, and then we can give this a border. So I've got an outline border here. And another thing I like to do is center align this as well. So come up to the top, it is currently at horizontal. I like to center these. Now we can also adjust the column widths. So I'm going to go ahead and select these columns, right click onto it, and now I'm going to click on resize columns. And then enter a new column width in pixels. I'm just going to keep it at 100. And now it's going to make all the columns the same. Now your final layout is going to look something like this. And one other tip that I like to do is select this first column. And then we want to go ahead and freeze it. So I think it's view, freeze, and then we want to freeze the top row. So when you scroll down, you can go ahead, you can see this as frozen. So when you scroll down, it's going to stay at the top row.